This sandwich has been around in Japanese homes and bakeries for decades, but it was 7-Eleven that made it iconic. The convenience store version became so popular that people around the world started taking notice. Whenever I go back to Japan, the first place that I wanted to visit is not a fancy restaurant or a sightseeing place. It's a convenience store. That's funny, right? And then my favorite things to grab is the egg sandwich from 7-Eleven. And I always paired it with iced cafe latte, also from 7-Eleven. That's so perfect. Ah, I miss them. Now, let me show you how to make it yourself. Start by boiling 4 eggs for about 10 minutes. Once they're done, cool them in ice water and peel. The chill helps stop the cooking and makes the shell come off more easily. Chop the eggs. Finely dice the whites and mash some of the yolks into a paste. In a bowl, mix the chopped eggs with mayonnaise, a splash of milk or cream, a little sugar, salt, white pepper, and a touch of mustard if you like. This balance of savory and sweet is what makes the Japanese style filling so special. Now, let's prepare the bread. Use soft, fluffy Japanese white bread. Cut off the crust first. This makes it more like the kind you'll find in convenience store. Spread a thin layer of butter on one side of each side. This keeps the bread from getting soggy and adds richness. Spoon a generous amount of egg filling onto the buttered side of one slice. And place the other slice on top, buttered side down. Wrap the sandwich tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps the sandwich hold its shapes and make slicing cleaner. When you cut it open, you will see the creamy golden cross section. Soft bread, rich egg filling. It's visually satisfying and delicious. This is more than just a sandwich. It's a taste of home, a reminder of quiet mornings, and the unbeatable comfort of a perfect made Japanese egg salad sandwich.
これです。セブンイレブンの卵サンドとすごい似てる。美味しい。この日本の食パンのふわふわ感がよりこの卵サンドを美味しくしてる感じがする。これは子供も絶対好きですね。おいしい。朝ごはんにもいいし、やっぱちょっとなじませてるからパンともしっかりなじんでますね。胡椒とマスタードがアクセントになって効いてる。ベイビーが騒ぎ出した。ねえ、一緒に食べようか。一緒に食べよう。一緒に食べよう。ね、眠いだね。まだ食べられないもんね。まだだよね。もうちょっと大きくなったら一緒に食べようね。もうちょっと大きくな なたはね塩ね。まだミルクしか飲めないもんね。サンドイッチは、片手で食べられるので楽ちんですね。はい、お手手とお手手合わせてごちそうさまでした。